Hello everyone. I hope everyone is good. My name is Ali Raza and I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as I own a Google partner company and we provide different solutions from Facebook, Google, Bing Ads, management, setup as well as SEO and landing page and website development services as well. So in this video, I will be sharing about biggest Google Ads lesson which I learned over the years. So because I got my first SEO certification back in 2006 and today it's 8 May 2023, so it means like probably uh, 18 17 to 18 years of experience in this industry. So based on my experience, and I got my Google Ads certification back in 2012, so that too is 11 years have been crossed from that. So based on my that experience, what I learned over it, and I will be sharing with you in this video. So before I start, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you guys don't miss a video. So let me write so you guys have a better idea on that, on what kind of observations which I made. So the biggest things which I learned over the time, number one is, and that is, you must have seen the recommendations over here. You can see the recommendations, like this is an account and you can see the recommendations tab over here. Review 10 recommendations and every recommendation is 2.5%. So I believe that don't auto apply recommendations. So my first opinion is don't. Now I'm talking about as an individual user, not as a company owner, but as an individual user, what you have to follow. So don't go for auto recommendations. Instead, manually review, and if it makes sense, then go for it. Otherwise, ignore it. So because auto recommendations, and you don't know, suddenly you may be surprised, like I didn't done anything and my conversions suddenly went drop. I have seen queries like these, people having issues like these. They were converting very well and suddenly I don't know what I did, and no more sales over here, no more conversions, no more clicks, or the cost have been increased suddenly. So all of these issues is because of these auto recommendations. Auto recommendation feature is generally is not bad, but that is systemated, not human. It's an automate. So which is why I recommend you to don't go for automatic recommendations. In case if you want to see or like, manually review, and in case if you like something, go for it. Second thing is ad copies. How much creative they are, one day they will become boring. So you have to keep on trying and keep coming with new things. So for this, with new things, so that is very important. You, even for a certain market, if you're running with same ads, try something. Even the same user is going to get frustrated and exaggerate, especially with the display network, because with display you are targeting almost the same user, but with search you may have to try a new user, because not everyone is searching for the problem they have a day. So for a longer period it can work with search, but not with the display. For especially for display campaigns, I do not recommend it. So you have to try new creatives. Third thing is, as a marketer, which I believe is that as a marketer you have to focus on trying out new markets. Never settle. As a marketer, you have to keep on learning, you have to keep on trying. Never settle, never ever settle. Explore certain areas. So you can have put 10 to 20, just giving you an example, percent budget for trying new markets, new products. In case if you are running an e-commerce store, you have hundreds of products, so you can allocate some budget for trying new products. So it's always a good idea to try something with it. And then never underestimate retargeting campaign. That is also a very good lesson. Retargeting can generate good sales if optimized well. And another thing, which is a very good and very biggest, and that is never ever underestimate your landing page. Come on guys, you are paying for each visitor to land on your website, and I do not want your visitor to feel little less. You are actually paying for each visitor to land, and you want to give them a best user experience, best. So focus on your landing page a lot. You are paying for visitor. Let's say you are paying $1,000, $210 just to land on your website, and in case if your landing page experience is not good, your all money is going to be wasted. So rather wasting your money, focus on having a good landing page which can do wonders with you. Another point which I think is competitors. as a marketer, now this is not only to Google, not only to Facebook, but everywhere in marketing, competitors are your best teachers, best friends. If they are successful for a reason. Why don't we learn and understand from them what's working for them, what's their USP? What's their USP? As a visitor, open their website and see what convinces them, what convinces you as a visitor, what convinces you from their ad, to see what's working for them. So yeah, do this. Next point is data. Data is everything. Data is new oil. So data is actually new oil, because as a marketer you are going to expand based on your data. In case if you're not doing data, now for data you also need to focus on that is on analytics. That data, for data you need analytics, and you have to have strong analytics to get good data for what is working well for you and for your business. So focus on data. Data can increase or decrease your sales performance. You may need to know what's working well for you. In case if you're not figuring out and just going with an average or assumption, you are going to waste all your money. So focus on doing working on data. So I'm thinking on last point could be testing, experimenting. That's what marketing is all about. So keep on doing testing, experimenting to find out new areas. So these are the lessons. Oh, and another thing which I forgot, and that is quality score may not remain the same, and it fluctuates. So in case if you are for those who don't know what's quality score, I have created a temple of videos in quality score. You can just Google YouTube on my videos and what's quality score. But your quality score, if it's good on some day, it's not going to be permanently remain the same. It may fluctuate. So to avoid those fluctuation, what you have to do is you have to improve based on that data and create new campaigns accordingly. So I definitely suggest to work on those things, and make sure to subscribe to our channel in case if you're looking for videos like this. Once again, thank you for watching, and in case if I miss something, I will be looking forward for you through the comments box. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.